Namaste students, in our previous lecture we have studied about distance formula. We have done examples using distance formula. Now in today's lecture we will be studying next formula, that is section formula. What we will be doing in this formula? Using this formula we will be finding the coordinates of a point, say C, which divides the given points A and B, A having coordinates x1, y1 and B having coordinates x2, y2 in a given ratio. This formula is called section formula. Suppose the ratio in which this coordinate, this point C divides the other points, in which this point C is dividing the line AB, let this ratio be m1 and m2. Then how will you write in the formula? For C, first value of x, section formula, to find x, we will be writing formula as m1 is to be multiplied by x2, m1 x2 and m2 is to be multiplied by x1, m1 x2 plus m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon sum of these two, m1 and m2. And same way for finding y, we will be writing m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This formula you will have to learn it. We can take this ratio in place of m1 m2, we can take it as k and 1 also. Some students feel it easy with k and 1. You can use k and 1 also. So if you take ratio as k is to 1 ratio, then how will be writing the formula? Then x will be, x is equal to k into x2 plus 1 into x1, that is x1 only, upon k plus 1. And same way, how to write y? Y will be k into y2 plus 1 into y1, that is y1 only, upon k plus 1. Here I have taken ratio k is to 1. In case this point is midpoint of A and B, then what change will come in the formula? Suppose we are saying that this point C is midpoint of these 2 points A and B. That means C is the midpoint of line AB, line segment AB. Then how to find the coordinates? Midpoint means ratio would be 1 is to 1. Same parts, equal parts, ratio is 1 is to 1. Then how to get the coordinates? X would be, see, here in place of K, also 1 will come. Here 1. Here I will place K with 1. So we will not be writing K, we will be writing 1. Means formula will be x2 plus x1. See, x would be equal to 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1. Means x2 plus x1 upon sum of the ratios m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Same way for y, it will be 1 into y2, that is y2 plus 1 to y1 means y1 upon 2. So this formula will be used when they are saying, it will be written in the question that this point is midpoint of the given point. Then this formula will be used. Now let us do some examples based on section formula. First question, they are asking to find the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining these 2 points A and B in the ratio 3:1. So what is given? They have given us 2 points, A having coordinates 4 and -3, B is having coordinates 8, 5. We have to find the coordinates of a point C, let the coordinates be x and y, which divides the given points in the ratio 3:1. Whenever you write any formula, you should move according to the given steps. Like means write down x1, y1, x2, y2. It will be very easier to write down the formula. So what we have learned, x is equal to, this will be m1, m2. So x we have learned, x is equal to m1 into x2. That means 3 into 8 plus m2 into x1, 1 into 4 upon sum of the ratios m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 1. So what are we getting? 3 into 8 will give you 24. 24 plus 4 ones are 4. 3 plus 1, 4. So what is the value? 28 upon 4. 28 upon 4 means 28 and 4 will get cancelled. We will be getting 7. So we have obtained the value of x as 7. Now let us try to calculate y. For y again, m1 into y2, that is 3 into 5 plus m2 into y1 upon sum of the ratios, that is m1 plus m2, 3 plus 1. Know what the values are coming? 3 5s are 15, but here it is 1 into -3, that means -3. So we are getting 5 minus 3 upon 4. 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 upon 4. So we have got y as 3. X as 7. Y as 3. Therefore, coordinates of C are are 7 and 3. Now questions can come like this also, where all the coordinates are given, value of coordinates of A, B and C all are given, and we have to find the ratio in which this point C is dividing the line segment AB. Let this ratio be M1 and M2. Let the ratio in which C is dividing line segment AB is M1 ratio M2. We can take this ratio as k:1 also. Answer would be same. So first of all, name the coordinates x1, y1, x, y, x2, y2, and the ratio is M1 is to M2. Now let's start with the formula. When we write x, for x we write M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1, and in denominator we write sum of the ratios, that is M1 plus M2. Now we'll be filling the values, given values. What is x? X is given here, -4. M1 is not known, into x2. M1 into x2. x2 is 3 plus M2 is not known, x1. x1 is -6 upon M1 plus M2. cross multiply, minus 4 will multiply with both m1 and m2 and we will be having minus 4 m1 minus 4 m2. We have shifted m1 plus m2 this side and minus 4 got multiplied. Here 3 into m1, then minus 6 into m2, minus 6 m2. Now we will be shifting like terms to one side, terms of m1 on one side, minus 4 m1, this plus 3m1 will become minus. So minus 4 m1 minus 3 m1 equals to, this minus 4 will become plus 4. Now this minus 4 and minus 3 will give us minus 7. Here 4 and minus 6, one positive, one negative, subtraction will be there and sign of bigger. So minus 2 m2. Minus and minus sign got cut. m1, if we shift m to this side, so we will be having m1 upon m2 is equal to this 2 upon 7. So we can write that m1 ratio m2 is 2:7. That means this point C is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio 2:7. Next example I have taken where you have to find the ratio but the point is lying on y-axis. Point is lying on y-axis means point would be 0 and y. Means x coordinate will not have any value. Point will be 0 and y. Draw the line AB. Coordinates of A and B are given. Name x1, y1, x2, y2 for applying section formula. Point C is x and y. In this example, in previous example I have taken m1 ratio m2. Now I am taking k is to 1. So you will be learning to use both the methods. Now by section formula, x is equal to k into x2, k x2 is minus 1 plus 1 into x1 means 1 into 5 upon sum of the ratios means k plus 1. Here this value of x in the question is given, the point is lying on y-axis means x is 0. So we will be writing 0 equals to minus k plus 5 into 1, 5 upon k plus 1. Now for solving, I will have to shift k plus 1 to this side. K plus 1 multiplied by 0 will become 0. So 0 equals to minus k plus 5. Then shifting minus k to this side will become plus k. K equals to 5. Therefore, ratio in which a point lying on y-axis is dividing the line segment will be 5:1. This is the ratio.